In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover an unsaved PowerPoint presentation after a crash. We've all been there working on a crucial presentation, only for it to disappear due to an unexpected crash. Don't worry though. There's a straightforward way to retrieve your hard work without starting from scratch. First, open PowerPoint. If you find yourself staring at a blank presentation workspace, don't panic. This is where the magic begins. Head over to the File tab located at the top left corner of the window. Clicking on this will open a menu with various options to explore. The option we are interested in today is Info, which you'll find right at the top of this menu. This section is key for managing your presentations and accessing some of PowerPoint's more advanced functionalities. Once you're in the Info section, take a look at the Manage Presentation block. It should be easy to spot, often accompanied by a drop-down arrow that suggests there are more options available. Click on this drop-down button to reveal a list of different actions you can take to manage your presentations. From this list, you'll want to select Recover Unsaved Presentations. This option is specifically designed for those times when an unexpected crash has seemingly wiped out your work. Selecting it will open a new window, showing you a collection of temporary files that PowerPoint has automatically saved in the background. These files are often stored in a special format known as ASD, and this is where you'll find your unsaved presentation. Now, here's the part where you need to pay close attention. When the temporary Windows file window pops up, take a moment to look through the list of files. They might be listed by date or name, so make sure you select the file that matches your missing presentation. Once you locate it, click on the file to highlight it, and then select Open. This action will bring back your presentation exactly as it was before the crash. After successfully reopening your presentation, your next step is crucial: saving it properly. At the top of the window, you should see a yellow banner with a Save As option. Click this banner to open the Save As dialog box. Here, you can choose a location on your computer or a connected drive where you'd like to permanently save your file. Make sure to give it a recognizable name so that you can easily find it later. Once you've selected the location and name, hit Save, and just like that, your presentation is safely stored. And that's it! You've successfully recovered your unsaved PowerPoint presentation after an unfortunate crash. Remember, PowerPoint's autosave and recovery features are there to help protect your work, but it's always a good idea to save regularly and back up important files to avoid similar situations in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips.